Why is $PYPL so hot amongst this sub-ATM? Genuine question, as today I saw a nice put writer place $350,000 into 53p for 11.17. Nice premium selling. However, PYPL growth has slowed tremendously whilst Zale's growth has 2x and Apple's services has been growing like an uncle's stiff leg at a family reunion. So just curious what people see besides it's oversold. $PYPL so hot amongst this sub-ATM bagholder handoff? It is true that PayPal's growth has slowed down in recent quarters, while Zale's growth has been much more robust. However, I believe that PayPal still has a strong competitive advantage in the payments space and will continue to be a dominant player. Falling knife shiny. I don't think Cash App, Zelle and Apple Pay is all that versus Venmo and PYPL. Those three things are not going to drive the company out of business. PYPL is used quite often outside of USA as well. Solid company with new leadership and a beat-down stock due to market conditions. I like stocks that I use in my everyday life. PYPL beats every quarter and then the price tanks. It's stupid, until it's not, I guess. Trading at such a low multiple means very lucrative share repurchases. They're buying back $5 billion worth of stock this year and the company is only sitting at $58 billion total MC. Literally 9 of the company's shares are being removed from circulation. They intend to do this every year going forward. Do the math on what that means for the EPS. Forward PE of 9 is also just absurd for a high margin, low debt tech company. The market sentiment is literally identical to FB in December 2022, but people are too blinded by emotional investing to see it. I am buying as much as I can. Undervalued AFIMG emote T52TH52 18630. You're not wrong about growth, but pay is attractive and the current price reflects a weaker consumer than reality. Because many are salty for missing the meta moment. Immediately going to sell this exact put to one of you jackasses. Can someone help me? I left WSB for a while being regarded and now I can't seem to find the daily threads that always used to have the good financial advice. I think people believe it is cheap. However, as we all know, it can go cheaper. The only thing that you need to worry about is if it becomes a value trap. They do own Venmo, which reigns supreme amongst my circles for trading money. Can we take a moment to talk about why your uncle is getting a stiff leg at a family reunion? PayPal credit is why I buy. They've been in the game a long time. Everyone I know uses Venmo. Only people I know who use Zelle send money down to Mexico to their families. Because this sub is highly regarded. PayPal is undervalued. Do some DD. The stock is getting fucked because of market conditions and fear. But PayPal has a very successful new CEO. They are profitable and are used all over the world. People have so much hate for PayPal, but just wait. It is beyond undervalued. What are you expecting from Zelle? It's a stagnant company that banks contracted at a flat price. Will buy PayPal at $55 less puts premium received. Don't dead, open inside. If PayPal was rebranded as Venmo, it would go moon. I bought calls for December. Let's ride. It's easy money, bro. Money bag, money bag, money bag. It's all about the P. Same reason SPY is so hot, because we tell you it's hot. The truly regarded will pick stocks based on what WSB is telling you to pick. Haha. Uncle's stiffy. Good one. PYPL's just getting started. Lots more room to run. People will come around once they see the potential. WTF is Zales? I don't think you understand what this sub is for. Some guy on here was trying to buy food job videos using PayPal, but his mom stopped accepting it because of the scam. After learning how they make money, he thought this was amazing and decided it was the best investment, excluding mom's food job videos. He came to WSB to post about it, and lots of other idiots saw it and said, "Well, I'm such a dumbass, maybe this guy knows more than me. I'll copy him." I get my paychecks deposited directly into PayPal and Robinhood 50/50 as all my banks have closed me out after I overdrafted. I told them I was a businessman like Trump. WTF, banks don't know business, I guess. I say go all in on PayPal, as I'm only going to be depositing more $450 checks into it bi-weekly. In the terms and conditions, they won't blackball your account when you overdraft, so that makes them unique as a fintech stock. Stock market: Austin Powers, PYPL eggplant, WSB Swedish penis pump. PayPal, that company that will lock your account and keep your money and doesn't tell you why. Yay, fuck them. This group loves, so it only makes the most sense that this group is bullish on PYPL. No one outside this group is. All what I know, I paid $110. Clown face, bad gambling. PYPL has one moat that none of the other digital payment providers has. Buyer protection. I don't care how convenient your Apple Pay is, how fast your Cash App is, or how secure your Zelle transfer is done. The moment you send any of that money to the other side, that's a Nigerian prince. Bam, it's gone, my friend. Only with PayPal, buyer protection allows you to claw that money back from that scamming shitty prince. Where is your evidence that 1. PayPal's growth has slowed tremendously. 2. Zale's growth is 2x. 3. Apple services has been growing like an uncle's stid leg at a family reunion. Please provide concrete evidence and research to back your claims. Price, memory, and notoriety lead terrible investors on this forums to dive headlong into companies whose best days are long behind them. I just got out, took the L, staying the F away. Bag holders. I personally haven't used PayPal since the early 2000s. So many other options. Because so many PPL think it was the bottom from 200 to 55. Bag holders. $SLV is the next $PYPL short squeeze incoming. Look at Bitcoin, will explode soon. Gambler's fallacy. Anything that drops in price is oversold. Not too long ago it was BB at $8. I love guzzling my own hot and salty piss beer mugs, drooling face. Because this forum tends to pump stonks before they go bankrupt. PayPal has 45 billion in unreceivable negative balance accounts, so they are in fact deep in bankruptcy territory. This is why the CEO, the CFO, and the activist investor all jumped ship in the last 6 months. Only a complete and utter regard can't see this. Value trap. Just like INTC. No dividends either. I hope PayPal crashes. Such a shit company. Who the hell actually uses PayPal? It's trash. PYPL was downgraded last week. So man shrugging, medium light skin tone. It was $300 during the pandemic. Therefore all these dreamers think it can return to a $300 stock. PYPL only makes 7.9 B a year in revenue. Not sure if that's before or after EBITDA. Nonetheless, it ain't no $300 stock because SQ makes more and was upgraded last week with a price hike. People's sentiment and their dreams are the momentum or impetus. Index pointing at the viewer, medium light skin tone, pinched fingers.